Okay, Rosie, today we're going to see Arctic dogs, because Caillou wants to see it.
No, Dad, I don't want to see Arctic dogs.
No, Rosie. We are going to see Arctic dogs, whenever you like it or not.
Fine. Hey Dad, can we go to McDonald's?
No, Rosie. We are going to miss the movie.
I want to go to McDonald's. 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 I want to go to McDonald's.
Fine. We will go to freaking McDonald's. Gosh.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you?
One hour later.
Hurry up, 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 hurry up.
I want chicken nuggets.
Finally. Take your stupid chicken nuggets. Man, I hate my job.
I got an idea. I will throw the chicken nuggets out the window. Ha 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 he.
Oh no! We're going to crash. Oh no, 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 oh no. At least we made it.
Hi, welcome to the movie theaters. What would you like to see?
I would like to see Arctic dogs.
I am sorry, but we are out of tickets. We have to wait till tomorrow. No, 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 no,
Oh, Rosie. How dare you make us miss the movie? Now we have to wait till tomorrow thanks to you. That's it. When we get home, you'll be grounded. You are grounded until the Lego Movie 2 comes on Netflix. Now go to your room right now.
Wee.